Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily go live streaming with your Hohem iSteady queue. So first, what you guys need to do is open the Hohem Joy app on your device. And now wait for it to connect. After connecting, you will see a Bluetooth icon right here. So now click it. And now here, right at the bottom, scroll to live. As you guys can see, all you need is a RTMP URL and the live stream key, which is optional. You can also select use mobile network if you do not have Wi-Fi outside. So that's pretty cool. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.